Have you ever wondered how the colorful M&M's candies you enjoy are made? Behind every tiny candy is a fascinating journey that begins long before it reaches the factory. It all starts on tropical cocoa farms, where ripe cocoa pods are carefully harvested by hand. Inside each pod are cocoa beans, surrounded by sweet white pulp. These beans are naturally fermented for several days, allowing complex chocolate flavors to develop. After fermentation, the beans are dried under the sun before being transported to modern chocolate factories. There, advanced machines clean, sort, and roast the beans to unlock their rich aroma. The roasted beans are cracked into cocoa nibs, which are finely ground into smooth chocolate liquor. This chocolate is blended with carefully measured ingredients and tempered through precise heating and cooling, creating the glossy, silky chocolate that forms the heart of every M&M's candy. Finally, automated molding machines create thousands of perfectly shaped chocolate centers ready for the next stage, the famous colorful candy shell. Now comes the step that makes M&M's instantly recognizable, the colorful candy shell. The smooth chocolate centers are placed inside large rotating panning drums, where they gently tumble as fine layers of sugar syrup are added. Instead of one thick coating, dozens of extremely thin layers are applied one after another. After each layer, carefully controlled streams of warm air help remove moisture before the next coating is added. This gradual process creates a shell that is smooth, durable, and evenly shaped. Food-safe color coatings are then applied to give each candy its vibrant appearance. Throughout the process, automated sensors continuously monitor temperature, humidity, and drum speed, ensuring every batch develops a consistent finish. Although the shell feels thin and crisp, it is the result of remarkable precision and patience, with every layer carefully built to protect the chocolate inside while delivering the satisfying crunch people know around the world. With their colorful shells complete, the candies move to the finishing stage. Inside specialized polishing drums, food-grade polishing agents are gently applied to create the smooth, glossy shine that gives every M&M's its signature appearance. Once polished, the candies travel to high-speed printing machines, where the iconic lowercase m is carefully printed using edible food-safe ink. Thousands of candies pass through these systems every minute with incredible precision. Next, advanced vision cameras inspect each candy, checking its size, color, shape, shell quality, and printed logo. Any candy with imperfections is automatically removed from the production line. The remaining candies continue along automated conveyors, where robotic systems sort them before sending them to the packaging department. Every step is designed to ensure that each M&M's looks as perfect as it tastes. After passing every quality inspection, the finished candies move to high-speed packaging lines. Automated weighing systems measure the exact amount for each pack before the candies are sealed in their colorful wrappers to keep them fresh. Every package is printed with production information and batch codes for complete traceability. Robotic arms then place the finished packs into cartons, stack them onto pallets, and prepare them for shipment to stores around the world. From tropical cocoa farms to advanced automated factories, every M&M's candy goes through a remarkable journey of science, engineering, and precision manufacturing. Although each candy is enjoyed in just a few bites, its production requires countless carefully controlled steps. The next time you open a pack of M&M's, you'll know there's far more behind those colorful shells than meets the eye. Want to see more production like this? Subscribe. AI World begins.